Hello and welcome to the channel. In this Alteryx tutorial, we'll take a look at an agriculture data which consists of price of commodities across India. The dataset consists of state, district, market, commodity, variety, grade, minimum price, maximum price, and model price or the average price. From the dataset, we will try to answer the following questions. State-wise costliest commodity and state-wise price of commodity. To accomplish this task, we will use the following tools: select, summarize, sort, sample, formula, filter, and a tool container. Let's start by importing the data. Let's run this. Now for our task, we don't need all the columns. So let's take the select tool and check all the columns first, and then we will check state, commodity, and model price. And we will change the type of model price to float. Let's run this again. Now we will use a summarize tool and we'll group by the state, the commodity, and for the model price, we will take the average. Now let's sort this. We will sort according to the state in ascending order and model price in descending order. Let's run this. Now we get all the costliest commodities in particular state. Like for Andhra Pradesh, we have 8 data points. Similarly, for Chandigarh, we have some amount of data points. Now we want only the maximum price one. For that, we can use the sample tool. We'll group by state and we'll keep the first n rows and limit it to 1. Let's run this. Alright, we'll sort it again according to the state. Let's run this again. Okay. Now we have the state-wise price of costliest commodity. Now, as given in the data set, this price is in tons, that is 100 kg. We can use a formula tool to convert it to per kg. We'll add a column here. We will take the average model price column divided by. We'll run this again. This was our first question answered. Let's use a tool container and we'll put everything inside this container. We'll select this, put it inside there, and we'll disable it so we don't run it again and again while doing our second task. Now for state-wise price of commodity, we can use this select and summary tool. We'll copy them and paste it here. We'll connect it to our data source. Run this again. Now we have the costliest commodities in all the states. Let's say we want to find the price of some commodity. Let's say tomato for example. We'll copy this. We'll select the commodity as tomato. Run this again. This tool will filter everything that has tomato in it. And now we can sort it according to state. And again, we can use a formula tool, create a column, price per kg, take average model price again, divided by 100. Change the type to float. Run this again. We get all the output. We can take another tool container and put this inside. Let's save this data to an output file. Connect it here. Let's name it. Save it in the desktop. Take another output data tool. This inside. Give it the name. Desktop itself. Say commodity. We'll save this. We'll enable this container and run the whole workflow again. Right. For the results, we can see we have two CSVs here. Let's open it. Now this is the state-wise price of commodity, and this is state-wise costless commodity. Thank you.